Hello everyone, Matt at Serpent042 and welcome to the first episode of Sizzling with Serpent. We're going to do something rather basic today. We're just doing a Asmongold $2 steak. Keeping it simple just because this is the first recording. That way, something quick and easy. I can get some kinks worked out for this recording setup because I've never recorded live content like that. It's all been gaming. So we're going to zoom the camera in real quick and I'll show you guys what ingredients we're working up with. Okay, so one of the things he does is he microwaves a baked potato. I've pre-cooked one ahead of time. This is not it. Then spices, he uses lemon pepper. I don't think lemon peppers can go too great on a steak, but we'll find out. That's part of the reason why I'm doing this one. He used some kind of barbecue rub, so I'm going to go with my take on the Guga rub. I say my take because I don't add salt to it, and I forgot to buy turmeric last time I made it, so we're missing a crucial ingredient on it. Butter. And that sauce with a W, people don't know how to say. Some say Worcestershire, some say Watch Your Sister sauce. I say Wort and Squirt. And then, of course, the star of the show. This was frozen and then rethawed, so it's lost a bit of color, but the $2 top round steak, really thinly cut. So we're just going to start off. I didn't think this through. Opening it up. Now he put it into a cold pan, and he did it real low, so there was no real sizzling or anything going on. I should just put that right in the pan. It's a little big, but it'll shrink while cooking. So then he did bit of butter. Again, pan's not even turned on yet. For the record, this is not the way I cook. Crap. I would cook this. I'd do it a different way, which will be the next video, is me showing you how I would cook, what I would cook using the same or similar ingredients. Okay, next we got the butter. Now we're going to add the lemon pepper. He just put it directly in the pan. And the Wort and Squirt. I'm going to put it both on the steak and out. Wort and Squirt has a lot of salt in it, so I would not recommend adding salt if you're going to cook with Wort and Squirt. And then I just made a mess everywhere. Lemon pepper. I'm using Dash brand because that doesn't have salt either. If you're not watching out for heart health with salt, it does give you more control over how much salt you add to anything. More Wort and Squirt because this is probably going to be rather dry. So I'm going to turn this on to a lowish heat. Start at 3 and we can adjust as needed. I forgot the Guga seasoning. We'll flip that again. I forgot my tongs. So I have to grab that because it's reaching my hand directly into the pan right now. It's going to be really stupid once this warms up. And now we're starting to see some color on here. Yeah, it's going real slow and no sizzle at all. That was the way he did it. Not the way I do it myself. When I do this, I'll be doing it in a cast iron. Hot and fast. In fact, I'm going to flip that now. This being a real thin steak, it actually won't take that long to cook. Some of this. Oh. We got some bubbling happening. Means I have it too hot, but it's going to take a bit. I'm curious, this little sauce I've ended up with, how's that going to... Interesting. reason I'm flipping is to keep it saucy and moist. Final flip. We're just about done here. So I am going to move this cooktop over. Now he just served his steak straight on a white paper plate. Kind of do it with a plastic butter knife. I like to cut up my steaks before I plate them. So, remember, if you're going to cut up a steak, always use the smallest knife you have so nobody thinks you're compensating for anything. Hot. I need to sharpen this knife. Also, careful not to burn yourself. You can already tell it's going to be kind of tough. Okay. Now we get the plate. Stick our steak on it. Now, the baked potato part, I'm not going to show you guys how to microwave a potato. You just put it in the microwave and you push the potato button. I did this one ahead of time, still pretty warm. Cut into it a bit. I need to grab the butter again. Did he even put butter on the video? Actually, I can't remember. And single bit of butter, and that was how he did it, minus the cutting up the knife. Though I'm looking at the potato and I'm looking at this sauce here in the pan. Yeah, we should taste this first. See if it's any good before we pour that on there. So he also used plain fork. I should just use a real one. Give it a taste. Not bad. I'm not a fan of sour steaks. Pretty good. I don't know if I'd use lemon pepper. I'd probably just I'd stick with the barbecue stuff. Now, let's actually see. It's not a bad sauce, so just put a little. It's got all the seasonings in there. I'm regretting this already. And now we have lunch. Alright guys. That's all I've got for this video. That's all I've got for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to game... No, I shouldn't say game on at this point because we're cooking, so sizzle on.